Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In February, I'm going to be going to Ukraine, to Lviv, to run a training course for English language teachers there. And over the last few days, I've been trying to sort out how I'm going to get there. As you probably realise, it's currently impossible to fly in and out of Ukraine because of the Russian shelling of the country that's going on. So it looks like I'm going to have to take an overnight train from Poland. As I was chatting to the organiser about all of this online, she told me that she'd look into the times of the trains and try to work out what would be the best way to do things. I responded by texting her saying, "Let me know as and when you find out." We often use as and when to basically mean something like at the time that something happens. So maybe, for example, you're like my co-author, Andrew, and you don't own a car. You just rent one as and when you need one, at the time that you need one. As someone trying to bring up a son in an age of Andrew Tate and horrific online sort of a toxic masculinity, I'm trying to bring my boy up to call out sexist behaviour as and when he encounters it. One of the things I've been thinking about a lot over the last couple of years is how little control we basically have over the direction that our lives often take. And I've been trying to come to terms with the fact that we don't always have as much control over our lives as we like, and that basically a lot of the time we just have to roll with things, deal with things as and when they happen. We also often just use as and when on its own. So you might say something like, "Listen, I don't know yet, but I'll let you know as and when," where it means something like as soon as I can, when I get the chance to. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media, with your friends, with your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use as and when.